Hello friends. Friends, today we will study new poem that is Basket Full of Moonlight. This poem was originally written in Dogri language, but it was translated in English by Sunil Sharma. In this poem, we will study appreciation of the poem, explanation of the poem and figures of speech. So let us study this poem. In the beginning of this poem, the poet says that, O moon, give me moonlight, basket full or two baskets full with seeds of moonlight. Here, in this poem, narrator is a small boy and he addresses to the moon and requests him to give one basket full or two baskets full of moonlight. The narrator also requests the moon to give seeds of moonlight so that he would plant the seeds. मुलगा चंद्राकडे टोपलीभर चंद्रप्रकाश व चंद्रप्रकाशाच्या बिया मागतो. In further lines, the poet says, From the city to my village, on the sides of the path, I want to sow many small moons of light. The narrator says that he wants to sow small moons of light on both sides of the path of that village which connects to the city. त्याच्या खेड्यातून शहरी जाणारा जो रस्ता आहे त्याच्या दोन्ही बाजूला चंद्रप्रकाश देणारी छोटी छोटी चंद्राची झाडे त्याला लावायची आहेत. Further, the poet says, the whole village goes to the city daily to work. It becomes dark on its way back. As my village is quite far, the route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Here the poet says that his village is quite far, right? The narrator reveals that all villagers go to the city for working. It becomes dark when they come back. The road is very dangerous because it is full of snakes and scorpions. Further he says, काय म्हणतो तो की रस्ता कठीण आहे. परत येताना रस्त्यावर अंधार होतो. रस्ता प्रचंड धोकेदायक आहे कारण रस्त्यावर विंचू आणि साप फिरत असतात. सांभाळून चालावं लागतं त्यामुळे यायला उशीर होतो. Further, the poet says, Neither bus nor cart plies when my father returns home. I am asleep, and he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. And on this road, vehicles like bus and bullock carts do not travel. The narrator says that it's very pathetic and sorrowful that even in the morning, father leaves home early and goes to city. He doesn't see his father at night as well as in the evening. कुठलेही वाहन ये जा करत नाही. रात्री वडील येतात तेव्हा आणि सकाळी कामावर जातात तेव्हा मुलगा झोपलेलाच असतो. ही भेट होत नाही. Further poet says, O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. The narrator again requests the moon to give him basket full of moonlight on loan. This time he asks moonlight on loan. He wants to enlighten the dark route so that his father will come early to home and will tell the boy fairy tales and stories which he wants to listen. मुलगा चंद्राकडे काळोखा रस्ता प्रकाशित करण्यासाठी कर्ज म्हणून पुन्हा एकदा चंद्रप्रकाशाची मागणी करतो जेणेकरून वडील घरी लवकर परत येतील आणि त्याला हव्या असलेल्या गोष्टी सांगतील. Further, in last stanza, the poet says, O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. Once again, the poet or the narrator requests the same thing. He repeats here. In this last stanza, the poet or the narrator requests the moon to give him basketful moonlight. He wants to plant the seeds of moon on both sides of the path that connects to the city. Here we have finished the explanation of poem. Now we'll see the appreciation of the poem. The first important point is title. The poet says, different things in poem that we have studied. But as a critic, how we can appreciate the poem? First point is title. The title Basket Full of Moonlight of the poem is very attractive. It arises curiosity in the minds of the readers. फक्त कवितेचं नाव सांगण्याऐवजी थोडीशी माहिती कवितेच्या नावाबद्दल सांगितली तर आपलं उत्तर अधिक उठावदार दिसेल. Next point is poet. The poem was originally written in Dogri language. Sunil Sharma has translated it. Here also we have given some important information about the poet. Now the theme or the central idea. Here we can write 4 small points or at least 2-3 big points so that we can get 2 marks easily. What is the theme of the poem? The theme of the poem is a desire of a small boy to solve the problems of his village and to listen stories from his father. The poem also shows that there is a vast difference between city life and village life. It describes that the life of village is dangerous. Next important point is rhyme scheme. The poem has no traditional stanza pattern. म्हणजे जे डिव्हिजन असतं स्टांजा पॅटर्नचं जनरली सारख्या नंबरच्या ओळी आणि पुढचा स्टांजा अशा प्रकारचं ट्रॅडिशनल स्टांजा पॅटर्न नाहीये. देर इज व्हेरिएशन इन द लेंथ ऑफ लाईन्स. हेन्स द पोएम इज रिटन इन द फ्री वर्स. अशा परिस्थितीत राईम स्कीम जुळवणं अवघड जातं. त्यामुळे ज्या पद्धतीने कविता लिहिलेली असते त्याला फ्री वर्स म्हणतात. नेक्स्ट इम्पॉर्टंट पॉइंट इज फिगर ऑफ स्पीच. ज्या ओळी आपण घेतलेल्या आहेत त्याची फिगर ऑफ स्पीच रिपिटेशन आहे. विच लाईन्स वी हॅव टेकन. आय वॉन्ट टू सो मेनी स्मॉल स्मॉल मून्स ऑफ लाईट. In above lines, the word small is repeated. Hence, the figure of speech is repetition. Our next point is special features. This point is also for 2 marks. The poem is written in a form of narration. It is highly sensitive poem. The image of moonlight and seeds are so attractive that they enhance the beauty of the poem. The images of snake, scorpion and dark root are very horrifying. And the last point that is important, that is favorite line. This is second last point. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. These are the most beautiful lines because these lines reveal the emotional world of a child from the remotest village. या ओळींमधून आपल्याला अत्यंत दुर्गम खेड्यात राहणाऱ्या एका मुलाचं भावविश्व कळतं. Now the last point, that is why I like the poem. Here we can write, the poem is very simple to understand. I liked it because it is about emotions of child. In this way, we can appreciate this poem. You have given long time to watch this video. I am really very thankful to you. Thank you guys.